Why does a motor act like a generator? At first, this sounds confusing. A motor is supposed to use electricity to create motion, not produce electricity. But if you spin a motor by hand or let it keep turning after the power is removed, something surprising happens. Voltage appears at its terminals. The motor suddenly behaves like a generator. Why does this happen? The answer lies in a fundamental law of physics. Inside a motor, there are coils of wire and a magnetic field. When the motor is powered, electric current flows through the coils. This current creates a magnetic field that interacts with the permanent magnets inside the motor, producing force and causing rotation. Now, reverse the situation. Instead of electricity causing motion, motion causes electricity. When the shaft is turned by an external force, the coils cut through the magnetic field of the magnets. According to electromagnetic induction, whenever a conductor moves through a magnetic field, an electric voltage is induced in that conductor. This is the same principle used in power generators at power plants. As the motor spins, the changing magnetic field around the coils forces electrons to move. This creates a voltage at the motor terminals. If a circuit is connected, current will flow. At that moment, the motor is acting as a generator. This behavior is not accidental. Motors and generators are built on the same physical principles. The only real difference is how energy flows. In motor mode, electrical energy goes in and mechanical energy comes out. In generator mode, mechanical energy goes in and electrical energy comes out. This effect is seen clearly in many real situations. When a toy car keeps rolling after you remove power, the motor generates a small voltage. When an electric vehicle slows down using regenerative braking, its motor becomes a generator and sends energy back to the battery. Even when a motor is suddenly turned off, the spinning motion can produce voltage spikes that must be controlled with diodes or capacitors. So why does a motor act like a generator? Because it cannot avoid it. Any device that has coils moving in a magnetic field will obey the same laws of physics. Whether you call it a motor or a generator depends only on which direction the energy is flowing. One machine, two roles, controlled by motion and magnetism.